Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can access Onlyfans account without a subscription. So it's very illegal if you want to try to access a subscription without paying by going to some piracy websites or something of the sort. So instead, there are some alternatives you can do instead of sailing the high seas per se. If you want to, you can find free accounts. So some creators have a paid account and some free accounts. You can find the free accounts instead. And you can also keep free trials. So some creators offer free trials. These short-term offers give new subscribers a chance to explore full content without an upfront cost. And there's also discounted offers. So sometimes a creator will run discounts to entice more viewers. So you can keep an eye out for these. And you can also check out their social media as well for sneak peeks. Sometimes they post snippets or clips from their OnlyFans. And you can check them out instead of pirating their content. Remember, you're supporting the creators directly, helping them continue to make content while ensuring they're paid fairly for their efforts.